it's nice and smoother in there, guys. I could fry an egg in here with no problem. Boom, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. Got a little something different for you today. I let someone borrow one of my cast iron skillets. This is how I got it back. It's gonna take some work, but me and you, we're gonna restore it. It can be saved. It don't have any pitted rust, it's just got some surface, and we're gonna fix it. So stick around, people. Okay, we're back. First things first, we need sandpaper. I have varieties of sandpaper. There are mosquitoes out here too. I also have a sanding block, which we're going to try first and see what we can do with it. When it comes to sandpaper, we'll start with the most coarse we got is a P60 and go from there. Just try to knock off all this big stuff. So let me get you down here so you can see what's going to be going on. Don't mind this. I don't. Okay, go on their block first. This is a 3M L60, so it's the same as our sandpaper here. So we're just going to try to get all the big stuff loosened up that's on here. You know what? I'm gonna have to take time out and spray with mosquito spray. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, we're back. That's just one of the pleasures of South Florida living. So this looks like it's going to break up all the big stuff that we need. Won't be too bad. Let's try this paper a little bit. Oh yeah, much better. Get a lot of this discoloration off of here. Now, you can also use a wire brush and a drill. I think I'll see if I got one, because it will be a lot quicker. So let's check that out real quick. Okay, got our little wire brush. And we also got a flapper wheel. I don't know how much juice I got left in this drill, but we'll see if it'll work. Oh yeah. Now, of course, when we're done, we will have to re-season this, of course, because we are taking all the seasoning off. And this particular cast iron, I picked it up at a flea market for $12. So it was already seasoned. This is a nice old cast iron skillet that you want to take care of a little bit better than what they did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Can't even hardly tell, can you? Still got a little bit of rough spots right in there, but we'll get it. I'll bring you back. All right, there she is. All the bad stuff is taken off. Bottom I'm not too worried about. All the thick stuff is removed from here. So this is the most important part. Now it's time to season it. We will put some oil in here, and then we will put it in the oven for about an hour on 400 degrees. Let it bake for about an hour. Let it cool. Then we'll do it again. So stick around for that. All right. A little bit of cooking oil here. What we want to do, cover the entire skillet. Now, another thing you can do, cook bacon. I don't have any. There we go. A nice coat. I got the oven preheating. And we will probably ought to do a better job of cleaning some of that stuff off. Let me do that first. Get all that out of there. Whew. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Now we'll put it in the oven for a while. I'll bring you back. I went ahead and rinsed it out with some warm water. Make sure I got all the icky stuff out. So now we're going to put a little bit more oil in here. The oven is ready. And then we'll get to it. Now when putting your skillet in the oven, just season it like this. Don't ask me why, but they say put it in there face down. Again, I don't know why, but that's what they say. So, all right, here we go. Let's put it in the oven. Now you gotta ignore I haven't had an opportunity. And my wife's been busy. So here we go. Just like that. And we'll get back to it. Hoorah. That's really all there is to it. It's not as hard as people may think to season cast iron. Like I said, perfect way is with bacon. Cook some bacon in there, bacon grease, just wipe it out, you're done. The more you do it, the more seasoned it gets, the better it gets. Do not make the mistake of putting it in a dishwasher after you go through all that trouble. Do not make a mistake by putting it with the regular dishes and scrubbing it out with soap and water. Don't do that. A little bit of warm water, towel, wipe it out, you're done. And it makes the best sweet cornbread. Trust me on that. Give that one a try. Matter of fact, we'll do it for you one day. So it's one you can look forward to. Stick around. All right. Let's check it out. There we go. Whoops. And now we'll rub it down with some more oil. Alright, we still got the oven on, so we'll give it another coat. and put it back in the oven. And we should be done. Oh, it's nice and smooth right now, guys. I could fry an egg in here with no problem. There we go. Alright. Back in the oven, guys. Alright, guys, that's all there is to it. I mean, there's no sense in me bringing you back and forth, taking that thing in and out of the oven. Do it as many times as you please. The more, the better. You know, just get layers and layers on there. It's perfect. The more you use it, the better. And that's really all there is to it. Bringing an old cast iron skillet back to life. You know, whether it's you let somebody borrow it, or it's left out somewhere. And actually, this one had been sitting on the porch, and I just remembered that they had brought it over and set it on the porch. All this rain and stuff we've been getting didn't help it at all. So I'm sure it's partially my fault, but that's all there is to it. Bringing it back to life, making it look good again and useful again. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Do me a favor real quick, like and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. Hit that notification button. That way you're notified anytime I, drop a video for you. And check us out on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors, of course. What better place to be? Again, I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the subscribe button. But be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.